Hey, before you do anything else, let me tell you what happened the first morning I powered on the Odyssey G7. I didn't expect such a visceral yes, this is it moment, but the way everything came alive on that curved display just clicked. This is for the kind of gamer and creator who doesn't settle for good enough, who can feel when something is clearly on another level. Now, check the latest price and stock, because a monitor this capable isn't the one you wait around on. You know that point when you re-gaming on an old screen and you start to realize every boss fight feels a bit blurry, every frame feels delayed, and every cutscene doesn't feel cinematic. That was me. That S when I knew it was time to upgrade from a standard 60Hz panel that left me wanting more responsiveness and immersion. Switching to the Odyssey G7 meant walking into games and work feeling confident instead of strained. That curve wraps your sightline in a way that pulls you into the scene, not just shows it to you. No more leaning forward, no more frustration with ghosting or blur. Just crisp, fluid motion that feels like it anticipates your next move. Whether you re-dropping into a fast-paced shooter, grinding through detailed RPG landscapes, binging cinematic scenes, or switching between creative apps, the experience changes your relationship with your gear. 180Hz refresh and 1 ms response isn't just a spec sheet, it is a felt shift. Once you feel this level of performance, anything less starts to feel like you re-swimming through molasses. And don't sit on this. Prices fluctuate, stock changes, and these high-demand panels tend to move fast. You might be thinking curved monitors are just a trend, or maybe you re-weighing size versus real impact. Let me reshape that for you. The curve isn't a gimmick, it is a doorway into fuller immersion. Peripheral scenes feel natural. Your eyes don't dart awkwardly. It just works. Here's the kicker you don't see coming. Once you've had that deeper sense of depth and fluid motion, going back feels like stepping out of a theater mid-scene. You don't realize how much your old setup held you back until you don't have to deal with it anymore. You feel the action as it unfolds faster. You trust visuals, so you react sharper. Your setup feels like it was meant to be. Work flows, games respond, scenes breathe. Long sessions stay comfortable instead of tiring. It has a larger footprint on your desk and smaller monitors. Curved panels aren't for every single taste. At some point, you stop comparing specs and just pick the thing that already felt right in your gut. Don't let this be the upgrade you look back on and wish you'd jumped on sooner. If you're ready to step into clearer, faster, more immersive visuals, check the current availability and make the move today. You'll notice the difference the moment you power it up.